A lot of people, when they start their automation journey, they immediately just dive into like looking at different solutions that are out there, getting quotes, trying to figure out like what they should be doing. And really the most important thing to do is actually take a step back and really be like, what are we trying to achieve, as a business, right? Will automation or some of these other technologies be the things that get us there? And then how do we build the team in order to make that successful, right? And then once you figure out, okay, this is something that we think we should invest in, you need to make sure that people are enabled to succeed there, right? So you're going to have all these different offices coming in. You can't just have, a handful of engineers go rogue and then find out later that nobody talked to IT or the CIO office, and all of a sudden people are going, wait,